Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on self-improvement courses with Udemy, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Udemy website at www.udemy.com. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log into your account and navigate to the home page. Use the search bar to find specific self-improvement courses. Take note of the courses that catch your interest. Check the ratings and reviews for these courses to ensure quality. Visit the course pages to read detailed descriptions and outlines. Look for any promotional banners or discounts displayed on the website. Sign up for Udemy's newsletter to receive notifications about sales. Follow Udemy's social media accounts for additional discount codes. Explore the deals section on the homepage for current offers. Consider enrolling during major sales events like Black Friday or New Year. Look for courses that offer a money-back guarantee to minimize risk. Utilize filters to sort by price, rating, or level to find the best deals. Keep an eye on your wishlist for courses you're interested in. Check if the instructors offer free introductory lectures. Participate in Udemy's forums to connect with other learners. Share your findings with friends to potentially gain group discounts. Review and compare similar courses to get the best value. Act quickly when you see a course you want, as prices can change frequently. Consider upgrading or bundling courses for bigger savings. Follow this guide, and you'll be well on your way to saving on self-improvement courses on Udemy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.